The Last Whisper of the Wild. In a secluded corner of the world, where the emerald canopy of the rainforest kissed the azure sky, lived an old jaguar named Xaloc. He was a creature of profound wisdom, his fur a tapestry of shadows and light, woven with the stories of generations. Xaloc had witnessed the symphony of life unfold around him, the birth of countless creatures, the ebb and flow of seasons, and the delicate balance of existence. One fateful day, a curious young parrot named Lira, brimming with youthful exuberance, approached Xaloc. She had heard tales of the legendary jaguar and sought his counsel. "Why do you remain hidden in the shadows when the world is so vibrant and alive?" she chirped, her feathers glistening like jewels in the sun. With a deep, contemplative sigh, Xaloc replied, "The world is indeed vibrant, dear Lira, but it is also fraught with peril. The whispers of the wild are fading, drowned out by the relentless march of progress. My role is to protect the stories, to ensure that the echoes of our ancestors reach the ears of the future." Lira, undeterred, insisted, "But if we do not share our stories, how will the world remember its roots?" Inspired by her enthusiasm, Xaloc agreed to venture beyond the shadows. Together, they traversed the verdant expanse, sharing tales of bravery, love, and loss with every creature they encountered. In their journey, they ignited a spark of hope, reminding the forest that every whisper, no matter how faint, contributes to the symphony of life. And so, the last whisper of the wild became a roar, echoing through the hearts of all who dared to listen.